Hi, Kathleen. Okay, now I'm starting to see what you, and that's kind of what I thought, but I realize there's a couple of other couple of style sheets you need to edit. First thing I want you to do is go to your site, your styles, and your styles.css. Okay, and what I'd like you to do here is, and this is where things are getting um, kind of gibbled up, and it took me a bit to spot this one. See the header top right here, the very first line up here? See where it says repeat X? Yeah, get rid of that. What that basically means is take the background graphic and repeat it on the X axis, which is basically left to right, right? So it's not going to go up and down. So no matter how much you expand it, you're only going to see a very thin black line, which is where it's getting kind of weird. Or sorry, a thin gray line, I should say, not a black one. Okay, so get rid of that. All right, I'm just going to bring my window in here and give you a bit of an idea what that's going to look like. So if I'm going to use something called Firebug to sort of replicate what I'm talking about here. Okay, now look at that one shot, and look, things start to look a little bit taller already, right? So now you can fit whatever size logo just by removing that one thing. Now the other two things I want you to do is go to your primary and your minimized, and about the same thing, line 4, and then set the height here for the header top to whatever you want it to be. Okay, so if your logo is 100 pixels tall, set it to 100 pixels. Let's see what happens here if I set this to 200 px now. See how it now grows to whatever height we want? Simply by getting rid of that repeat X, the background graphic and pattern here will grow and expand, but you also need to expand the height of the menu buttons to sort of fit whatever space. So I found it to be around 100 px. It was pretty close. Looks more like 102. Yeah, probably something like that. All right, so just those two things and you should probably be right on the money.